Taking a closer look at your trees can reveal fascinating worlds. Have you ever noticed these different colored patches along your tree bark or maybe even shrub bark? These aren't actually anything wrong with the tree, and they're not a disease. This is called lichen. And lichen is a fascinating organism because it's actually composed of two different separate organisms. One is fungal, and that provides the actual structure that you're seeing here. The second organism is actually the photosynthetic partner, which means it uses chlorophyll to provide nutrients for both organisms. Now, we typically find these on tree branches, but lichen can grow anywhere that's stationary. Fence posts, mailbox posts, even the sides of buildings. So that lets you know that it's not actually deriving any sort of nutrient or water from whatever it's attaching to. It's simply using it as a home to hold on to. Now, lichen come in many forms. You may see them growing very flat up against the surface of the bark of the tree or the structure, and then some almost have leaf-like structures where they're actually protruding out from the surface they're attached to. And still another form has hair-like filaments which stand up off the bark of the tree. They're all really neat looking, and they come in a huge variety of colors. A lot of times you'll see this gray-green, but there's white ones, there's orange, pink, all sorts of colors, and they can be really beautiful when you have multiple species growing on one tree. Now, lichen are extreme organisms. They can survive in the Arctic temperatures, they can also survive in hot deserts, and of course here in Louisiana. So the next time you're walking by a tree or shrub and you notice the bark looks a little off-colored or funny, take a closer look and see if it's actually just lichen growing there. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.